Traveling light can transform your journey, making it more enjoyable and stress-free. Start by choosing a versatile carry-on bag that meets most airline requirements. Prioritize multifunctional clothing items like reversible jackets and pants that can match multiple outfits. Opt for lightweight fabrics that can be layered for different climates. Limit your shoes to 2 pairs, one comfortable walking pair and another for specific needs like hiking or formal occasions. Utilize packing cubes to organize and compress your clothing, maximizing your space. For toiletries, invest in solid versions of products like shampoo bars and toothpaste tablets to avoid liquid restrictions and spills. Minimize your tech gear by selecting multi-purpose gadgets, such as a smartphone with a good camera, instead of carrying separate devices. Remember to roll your clothes instead of folding them to save space and reduce wrinkles. Before packing, lay out everything you think you need and then remove half of it. You'll be surprised at how little you actually use. Lastly, always carry a small, lightweight day pack for daily excursions. By following these tips, you'll find yourself more mobile, less burdened, and ready to enjoy every moment of your adventure. Happy travels!